All right, so this is just a short video just to showcase the work that I did a few months back on working in Unreal because I thought I recorded a video, but I guess I didn't. So this is from my advanced design workshop class, whereby we had to create a system in Unreal and then showcase it to the class. So for mine, what I did, I actually managed to create three systems. I created the ability to change the balls would change color, as well as the balls change color, as well as there was a timer, added a timer system, as well as the ability to pick up the objects. So let me just showcase it in game. Right. So in game, as you can see on the top left corner, we have a timer whereby the balls will change color on two intervals, at interval of 5 and an interval of 0 in a 10-second counter. As well as if you walk up to an object and you press F, no, is it F? Yes, you press is it was it F or E? Oh, E. I thought it was F. It was E. If you walk up to an object and you press E, you will be able to actually pick up and move the object. So the object collides with a line trace from your side, as well as if you press E, you could pick it up and move it. And the goal of when I created this was simply to arrange the specifically colored balls on the properly colored pedestals. So I would they can either do it in two ways. They could do it when it changes color or before it changes color. And then basically what I tried to accomplish during that time was for it to have the ability to 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 do like a check. So when it would do like a check, it would be able to see if said object is actually the same color. So I guess I had to rearrange this. So this blue would come here. This would turn into this would turn into yellow. Oop, yep. This would turn into yellow, and this would go right here, and just like that, boom. So pretty much, you see a different colors now, but at interval 0, they would be the correct colors for the pedestals. So that was pretty much what I did for the course. I know I could break it down into the actual blueprints. So if I were to go into the level blueprint, as you can see, we have this is the for level blueprint. Set timer by function name. We have four functions equivalent to the four different timers. So to actually go into the timer, I'm going to explain it. So we have new max timer, which is an integer that has a value of, I guess not showing the why it's not showing the value. Or maybe it's a hold, I can't remember. So you have new max timer, add one, or it minuses one, and then you set new max timer, and then going over here, you would print, you would check, if it's equal to -1, and if it is equal to -1, it would reset it to 11, which will be 11 and -1 are like the braces, so the timer would be only from 0 to 10 inclusively. Set vector parameter on materials. So obviously we know how the RGB values work, red, green, and blue respectively. So obviously it changes the parameters, and then it does another check here. If it is less than 5, then if it's true that it is less than 5, then it would change it to a different color. And that is how the colors of the balls are actually change and actually how the colors of balls are linked to the timer. And then how I actually did the ability to pick up and move objects. That would be in the first person controller, blueprints, first person character. All right. So now to explain this, this is the pickup item system. It would use a first person camera. It would get the camera's location, rotation, and forward vector. It would multiply it by 400 increments of measurement, and then you would add that to a line trace. And then if you're pressing E, it would activate line trace. It would check if it is if you release E, it would check if it's picked up, and then you'll use a physics handle to release the component, and then pretty much break hit result. That's obviously breaking a line trace, and then you would get the location of whatever object is in front of you at the time of the line trace. And yep, that's pretty much how the E works. And then when it comes to the picked up loop, it will just check if something is picked up here by getting the rotational location and forward vector, as well as 500 increments of measurement from the first person camera, and then it will just set the new location of whatever item of your choice. So that's pretty much how it works. This is just, supplementary things here. That's pretty much how it works. The ability to move, pick up and move the object according to your line trace, as well as seeing the various timers and how they work, and the ability to actually change the vector parameters of this phase. So that's just showcasing um, some Unreal system design slash level design. This is, I would say, a level.